Tutorial on how to fix the white balance on a photo using an Apple computer. The first thing you want to do is to open up your Finder where your photo is located. I have this photo right here selected. It's a picture of Papa and Gracie. As you can see, the white balance is very yellow. Mama had those awful yellow light bulbs, and that made pictures turn out kind of wonky. Now I recommend that if you have any pictures on your thumb drive or flash drive, that you save it onto your hard drive to work on. You can always move it back when you're done. First thing you want to do is to double click the photo. This will open it up in the preview app. Okay, and after that I'm going to move this. First thing you want to do is duplicate the file. Go to File, Duplicate. And the reason you want to do that is in case you make some kind of mistake, the original file is not messed up, you can just delete the duplicate and start over. And of course I'll rename the file and only work with the copy of the file. Then you go to Tools, Adjust Color. This was already open because I tried it out before, but Tools, Adjust Color. If you want, you can do Auto Levels. That will fix the exposure, or you can work on it yourself. You can fix the exposure, make it just a little bit brighter. I generally don't do anything with the contrast, but you can if you want to. Just depends. And shadows, move it just a little to open up the shadows around Papa's pants at the knees. You can see how it changes. Okay, but the main purpose is to fix the white balance. The next thing you want to do, right here where it says Tint, there is a little button that looks like an eyedropper. Click on that, and you want to pick a neutral gray or white point in the photo to remove the color cast. I did this with another photo. I tried the microwave, and it looks a little better, but not really the ideal. Click on the refrigerator. That looks a little better. Coffee pot, about the same. But then I tried the doorknob on this, or the, whatever you call it, the knob on the cabinet door, and that fixes it a little bit better. You can check it against the coffee pot, see which one you like better. This has a more neutral look to it. The coffee pot gives it a little bit of warmth. So it's just a matter of personal preference.
Who are you talking to?
I'm doing a tutorial.
Oh.
And with that, you're done. If you want to, you can go to Tools and then Adjust Size. I recommend that if you're going to use any photo for print purposes, like magazines or just to print out, in order to look better, it needs to have a good resolution. These photos are automatically of a resolution of 72, which is appropriate for the computer screen or to put on the web. But for print purposes, you want to change the resolution to 300. Then go up to width and divide that number by 4. And the reason is because it says the resultant size is 416.7%. You want it to be as close to 100% as possible. 416 divided by 100 is 4. So you use that same factor to divide the width by 4. 45 divided by 4 is about 11. And that gives you 101.1%. Close enough. Also, another thing I like to do when I do that is I go up to the name, File, Rename, and I indicate in the file name that it's a 300 dots per inch. That way I know that it's not just for the computer screen, but it's appropriate to be printed out for photos or for whatever you want to do with it. And that's that. Hope that helped. Thank you.